Well, got the fuel tank ready to go in. Got the new fittings on the bung down here. New line. Using the crimp clamps. They seem to work better than hose clamps. I don't like how they oval out. And, the headlight wiring that I had, the connectors for them suck, so I'm just using regular slide connectors and then just running this for heat shield over them. With lots of heat shrink. The wire to the little parking light underneath, I'm just running it, but I'm not going to hook up those bulbs. All new wiring. It's all 10 gauge for the headlights. I think this is, this is a 14 gauge and all 10 for these headlights. This is the little LED light that I made up front. It was a light bulb actually for your house. I made it 12 volt and then a new wire for that. New wire for the blinkers, 12 gauge. New fuel filter, same fuel pump that I had, the Carter, Venturi or whatever, inline. The supposed quote-unquote quiet one. New wiring, it's all 12 gauge. Grounds, wiring to the brake switch, wiring to the horn, all that fun stuff. And I just got weather stripping for the gasket for the fuel tank. Kind of is what it is. Anyway, got ready to drop this in. It's going to be really fun to get that last, to get this last one on here. I'm going to have to reach under the tank and crimp it, but that's all good. It is what it is. Alright, that's all for now.